Hey guys, this is Mr. McKee again. This is for Net 126. I'm going to go over the packet tracer 6.2.1.7, configuring VLANs. Alright, and I've got up my packet tracer, and I've got up my activity window. Alright, look up here, we see our addressing table. Alright, I'm going to skip some of this stuff. Alright, so I'm going to skip right down to here and do the configuration. Alright, one of the issues some people are having is when you get down to the end, you have 90 out of 94. There is a voice over IP setting you have to put in there to fix that. So I'm going to go ahead and go through everything and then fix that at the end. All right. So first thing I want to do is create the following VLANs on S1. All right. So let me get it up here. Enable global config VLAN 10. Let's name it faculty staff. All right, VLAN 20. Oh. Name is students. VLAN 30. Name is guest. And default DEFAULT. Okay. VLAN 99. This is going to be our management. Oh, and you got to type this in the same way or it's not going to grade it correctly. And native VLAN. Alright, and our last one is VLAN 150 for our IP phone. And name is capital, all caps voice. Alright, let's make sure we got 21 down here. Okay, we got it. Alright, so let's switch over to, I do the same commands on S2 and S3. Could copy and paste these, but just for training, I'm gonna go ahead and do it all the way through, just line by line. Configure terminal. All right, VLAN 10 name. Just don't get carried away and spell these incorrectly. That's what I have to tell myself. All right, VLAN 20 name students. All right, VLAN 30 name is going to be test. All right, VLAN 9 name is going to be management and native. VLAN 150. That's our IP phone VLAN. Name. Just like that. Alright, let's go to S3, do the same thing. Okay, I want to do VLAN 10, name, faculty, staff, VLAN 20, name is going to be students, VLAN 30, name, whoops, name is guest, DEFAULT, VLAN 99, it's going to be management, and native, VLAN 150, name is going to be capital RICP. Let's do end. I want to go ahead and check this. Show VLAN. All right, let's make sure this is right. 10, 20, 30. Make sure my spelling's right. FAULT. Native management and native voice. All right, let's do the same thing on, what was it, on 3? That was 3, let's go to 2. And show VLAN brief. All right, faculty staff's 10, students, guest, default, management, native, voice is 30. All right, S1, and show VLAN brief. All right, faculty, staff, students, guest, management, native, voice. Okay, we're good to go on that. All right, next thing, let's assign VLANs to ports. Okay, start on S2. All right, go back into global config. All right, we want to do interface fast Ethernet 0.0.11 is going to be VLAN 10, fast Ethernet 0.18 is VLAN 20, and fast Ethernet 0.6 is VLAN 30. All right, and I just say that the way I'm going to type it in. All right, so let's do this. Okay, interface F0.0.1. I want to do switch port mode. There's going to be an access port because we know that because S2. Okay, access port, access port, access port, trunk lines right there. All these are access ports. That's why we're doing that. Okay. Switch port access VLAN 10 F11, yes. Okay, and interface F0.18. I'm going to do switch. If I can spell it right, switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Yep, and then switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30. You can use the up arrow to save you time for to show your history. All right, I got that. All right, I did that super fast, but let's do end and show VLAN brief. Now we have VLAN 10, FA11 and VLAN 10. FA18 is on VLAN 30. So I messed up. So I have to go in and interface FA018, and that's supposed to be on VLAN 20. Oh, config terminal interface F018 no VLAN 30. Okay, let's go. And I can exit out of that or end it. Show VLAN brief. All right, it's taken out. Oh, I took out my VLAN. My mistake. All right, config T. All right, and VLAN 30. So I need VLAN 30 back. Name VLAN 30 was guest default name. All right, so I got that back. Let's exit. Let's do interface FA0.18 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 20. All right, and let's see if I can do interface FA006. Oh yeah, it works. Alright, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30. Alright, so I got those. And I can do a do show VLAN brief. Okay, 11's on 10. Let's go back down here. 011's on 10, 018 is on 20, and 06 is on 30. Alright, it's good to go. Alright, so let's do, that's our S2, and S3 uses the same VLAN access port assignments as S2. Alright, so let's go to S3, and let's go to configure terminal, and let's do interface FA011 switch port. Let's see if I get back to it. Nope. Switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10 and interface FA018 switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN, that's going to be on VLAN 20, and interface 06, that switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30. To show VLAN brief. Okay, so FA011, VLAN 10, FA018, VLAN 20, FA06 30. And I know it shows VLANs first, but I like to see where what interface I'm working with first, since that's the first command you put in before you put in the switch port. Okay, and before the VLAN. All right, so that's why I do that. Let's just exit out of that. All right, we're back there. Now let's see. Now we're at 90, and here's the issue. As shown in the topology, S3 Fast Ethernet 011, that has a weird situation. That has a PC on it and an IP phone on it. So normally you can't have two VLANs on the same port on a switch unless you have an IP phone. Okay, so as shown in this topology, the S3 Fast Ethernet 011 interface connects to a Cisco IP phone and PC4. The IP phone contains an integrated 3-port 10100 switch. One port on the phone is labeled switch and connects to F04. Another port on this phone is labeled PC and connects to PC4. The IP phone also has an internal port that connects to the IP phone functions. So you don't see the port, but it's internal. All right. The S3 F011 interface must be configured to support user traffic to PC4 using VLAN 10 and voice traffic to the IP phone using VLAN 150. The interface must also enable quality of service and trust the class of service COS values assigned by the IP phone. Okay, so we need to set that up. And I did put that in my email just so I have it, because I don't do that too much. It was some trial and error getting this thing configured correctly. Alright, so let's go back to interface FA011. Okay, switch port voice VLAN 150. Alright, see that? There you go, 94 and 94. But then also you got to do MLS quality of service trust the classic service. All right, so 94 out of 94. The other 6 points are from answering the questions. You guys submit it like that, screenshot of that, that's perfect, and then upload it to Moodle. All right, thanks for watching.